Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to increase font size in OPPO A83. So let us start our video. Firstly we will click on the setting icon. After that here you will see many options. Swipe up and here you will see display and brightness option. Click on that. After that swipe up and here you will see font size option. Click on that, and after that our font size is small. If you want to increase your font size, so click on long press on that green circle and scroll it on the right side, and here you will see your font size is large now. If you want to very large, so click on that. After that, in this way your font size will be increases. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.